everyone, it's Lynnea, and I have a video for you using the December Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kit. The theme is Animals in the Arctic, and I'm using some of the products from the third and the fourth collection. So you can see here, I've kind of laid out a basic layout for my card, and I took a quick snapshot of where those snowflakes are with my phone so I could reposition them later. I end up changing them, but I always think it's a good idea to take a picture and so that you can just get everything lined up the way you want it. So I have a piece of the dark purple cardstock from My Favorite Things, and it's included in the kit. And I stamped the sentiment from the LDRS stamp set, and now I have the snowflake die from the third collection. I die cut it from some sticky backed fun foam, and the only reason my fun foam is green is because that's the color I have. I have a multicolor pack, and I just happen to have green, but any fun foam will work. If you don't have sticky backed fun foam, just put a little bit of tape runner adhesive on a stamp block, and then you just mount that die cut onto your block, and you can use it like a stamp. This is one of my favorite ways to get more out of your dies, because you certainly could die cut a whole bunch of snowflakes and build your background, but it's a lot quicker, and I prefer stamping over die cutting. So I die cut one little snowflake, and now I can use my Versamark ink to just stamp all over my card front and just build a background that way. I think it's super awesome and another way to get more out of your dies. I sprinkled on some pearl embossing powder, and as it melts you can see how it has this like silver shimmery effect, but it picks up the color of the purple cardstock, so it's got this like purple shimmer to it, and it's so pretty in real life. I just love it. So these little snowflakes were part of a garland from the fourth collection, and all I did was just cut them apart, and then I can use them individually as little snowflake embellishments. So I'm kind of playing around with how I want it, and like I said, I had taken a photo and I ended up changing my arrangement. Now I have some snowflakes and sequins. These are also from the card kit, and I'm just playing around and gluing them down with my Ranger Multi-Matte Medium. And when I'm all done, I'm going to pick up this card and try to shine it in the light so you can see there's so much shine and shimmer from that pearl embossing powder, from these pearly snowflakes, and from the sequins. It's really awesome. So while I had that die cut snowflake on my block, I figured I might as well use it again. So I have some gold pigment ink, and I'm just using that same exact stamp. I didn't even clean it because Versamark is a clear ink, and all I'm doing is just building another background. And my idea for this one was to have just a clean and simple card with some snowflakes and a sentiment. And I wanted to have a higher concentration of snowflakes at the top, kind of flurrying down to the bottom. I stamped that same stamp set from the LDRS stamp set from the fourth collection. And here's a quick look at both of the cards I made. So I hope you'll try out this technique for yourself. And remember that you can always find more still photos on my blog and on the Scrapping for Less blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.